Hey, what's up guys? This is Matthew Ma here, and I just want to go over the top 21 tips and tricks I use for the Apple iPhone XR. Here's the first 7 things I do to customize my iPhone. Alright, let's start off with customizing our control center. Go to Settings, click on Control Center, Customize Controls. Let's add in things like Apple TV Remote, Home, and Screen Recording. Be sure to reorganize the order as you like. Now that we have screen recording on our control center, let's jump into the other settings. To turn off parallax, go to General, Accessibilities, and turn Reduce Motion to On. Secondary Face ID. To enable Secondary Face ID, go to Settings, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Type in your passcode. Click on Set up an alternate appearance. Click on Get Started. Next up, I organize my apps. Long press an app icon until they start to wiggle. Either delete preloaded apps you don't need or move apps into folders. Then tap the Done button on the top right corner when finished. My current setup is to move Apple apps into a Apple Extras and Utilities folder. Apple Shortcuts. Download and open shortcuts to add your favorite shortcuts. Some of my favorite shortcuts are Calculate Tip, Log Water, and Police. I'll post links to the shortcuts in the description below. Let us know in the comments below what's your favorite shortcuts. Now let's move on to gesture controls. Tap to wake. Tap anywhere on the display to wake the screen. Go home. Swipe up from the bottom of the display to close an app. Notification Center. Swipe down from the top left or middle of the screen, swipe up to close. Control Center. Swipe down from the top right of the screen. Press and hold a control to reveal more options. Swipe up to close. Spotlight. Swipe down on the middle of the screen to bring up Spotlight. Swipe up to close. Fast app switching. Swipe left or right on the home bar to quickly access the previous app you were using. See recent apps. Half swipe up on the bottom home bar and hold to see recent apps. A quicker way to see recent apps is to swipe up from either bottom corner of the display in an arc toward the opposite side of the screen. Force close an app. Swipe up from either bottom corner of the display in an arc toward the opposite side of the screen. Then swipe up on an app to quickly force close. Apple Pay. Simply place your iPhone near an NFC terminal or double click on the side buttons. Verify with Face ID and hold near reader. Medical ID, Emergency SOS, Power Off. Press and hold the side button and either volume up or down buttons together until slide to power off appear. Force restart. Quickly press the volume up button, then volume down button, then long press the side button. Slide to power off. To enable Siri, long press the side button. Trigger flashlight or camera from the lock screen. Tap to wake, then long press flashlight or camera. To do a screenshot, press and release the volume up and side button together. Quickly scroll to the top of the page. Tap right below the notch to jump to the beginning of a page on an app, website, or text document. Question of the day. Let us know in the comments below what's your favorite tips and tricks for the iPhone XR. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.